Welcome to BME Rolling Cane Group Number 2. Our cane was designed for a woman with cerebral palsy to feel like she has more support as she goes about her daily activities. Our group specifically focused on the braking mechanism of the cane and ensuring it could lock into a stable position. The advantage of this rolling cane is that it stays by her side as she walks, so there's always 2 points of contact touching the ground for stability. It's also tested over common household surfaces, such as carpets or minor divots, and includes testing on tile as well. The cane is also able to move in any direction necessary, as seen in the video above. The cane is designed with 3 caster wheels and 2 stationary wheels to allow for movement and still braking. You can also see in this clip of the cane going over a speed bump that it can handle any bumps in the road. As rolling cane 2, our group was specifically on the brake function of the cane. However, braking required the wheels to be involved, which also required the shape of the base to be determined via what we needed to attach our braking system. A major goal was to make sure that our cane would be able to go over any obstacle our patient may have in her house or going outside of her house. Now to get into the actual braking mechanism we worked on, here's the handle. You simply pull it up and it locks into place and engages the braking system, and it'll stay locked until you push it down. When pulling the handle, that causes the brakes to be pulled against the wheels, as you can see in this view from above. And that stops the cane from engaging in any type of motion. As you'll see in this clip, without the brake applied, the cane can roll freely down any decline, and with the brake applied, the cane remains entirely stationary. It was super important for our customer to have something that could lock in place so she felt like she was completely stable at a standing position and her husband would be able to move the cane while they were transporting from place to place. She specifically mentioned going through their driveway, stopping the cane outside of their car, and being able to load it into the back of the car for transportation, as you can see in the clip coming up. So the brakes being applied, and now you would be able to open the trunk and put the cane into the back of the car. The handle is also attached using Velcro straps, so it can be removed pretty easily, as you'll see in the video, and then the cane can be collapsed, so that way it will fit into TSA requirements. As far as safety features, the cane does not tip over when you lean onto it in either direction. It can also support an entire body weight and not just the weight of one hand on the handle. And finally, it doesn't hurt when it runs into the leg because of the rubber trim on the exterior. We hope you enjoyed!